Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close look at the Christys Kempton lightweight fur felt Trilby hat. So let's go ahead and remove the hat from its clear plastic bag packaging. Well, of course, opening the bag up, it's good to see that the bag is recyclable, so definitely recycle or reuse it thoughtfully and keeping it away from babies, children and animals. And now giving you a clear look at the Christys Kempton lightweight fur felt Trilby hat, as it is straight out of its clear plastic bag, and this one is in the ink blue colour, and giving you all the details as best I can before I start handling it. And now let's take a closer in look at this Christys Kempton lightweight fur felt Trilby hat. So as you can see, the blue is rather bold and light at the same time. It does have a matching blue ribbon, and there is a hang tag attached to the hat and giving you a look at the details that's on the hang tag. And some information about Christys hats, as well as its other hats with the Panama and felt design. So this hat has a 60cm circumference. For this one is of that size, and giving you a closer in look at the details of the hat with its fur felt, and of course the edge of the hat to give you some idea of the thickness, and the ribbon on the hat as well, and that feather detail that's tucked into the band or ribbon of the hat. And we can see that the front of the Trilby hat is pinched, and of course that dip in the crown as well. So giving you that top-down look. So you can see the brim of the hat and its overall details. And on the underside or inside of the hat, we can see that there is no lining, which keeps the hat light in weight. And there is a sweatband running on the inside of the hat. And we can see that the inner label with the Christys London fine headwear since 1773. So giving you a look at the inside details, and at the back of the hat as well, there is the Christys logo with a golden ribbon sewn onto it. And to give you some idea of the material of the sweatband and its stitching as well. So very fine stitching, very consistent right throughout the inside of the hat. So right there you can see a little bit more clearly with the light showing the details inside of the hat. So taking a look at the back of the hat, And once again, the overall textures and construction of this Christys Kempton lightweight fur felt Trilby hat. And to give you some idea of the pliability, softness or firmness of the material, so giving you a further outlook at this Trilby hat in the ink blue color and in the 60 centimeter size. So that's the Christys Kempton lightweight fur felt Trilby hat. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!